Why my phone is hot? Tips to stop overheating. Yes, you are listening right. Many times it happens with us that our mobile phone starts getting hot and we get a notification about overheating, or we feel overheat on our mobile phone using our hand. So because our hand is a biggest sensor for checking out the heat. So what you can do if you want to stop overheating? First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now first of all, we should clear all the apps. If you are using a lot of apps, you have to clear them out so that it don't use a lot of memory and processor, so that you don't feel any overheating issue. So if you do that, after that, even after that you face overheating, you can remove this type of back cover of your mobile phone and wait for a few seconds or minutes, for getting cool down. Now even if that it's not works for you, you can restart your mobile phone and stop using those apps which give you overheating indications. So or you can use less, and keep in mind that using heavy uses of your mobile phone, don't put it on your charging. Yes, don't put on charging, because if you put on charging using heavy uses, then it give you hot hit overheating issues, and it can damage your mobile phone too. I was going somewhere and I was using Google Maps, and I feel that it was started giving a heating issue, and my mobile battery was almost drained, so I put it on charge. Even it was hot, I put it on charge, and I was continuously using mobile maps because I have to go somewhere. Then I faced a problem that my mobile phone was blacked out. I rushed to the service center, and they checked the mobile phone and said to me that its processor is gone, and its cost is almost half price of that new mobile phone. So keep in mind that don't use your phone if it's giving you hot indication, and if you have time you can switch it off for a while, and after that restart it, and you will feel that it stopped overheating. And stop using heavily, like heavy games or kind of things, if you want to save or increase the life of your mobile phone. Like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Hope you like this video and understood that how you can easily save your mobile phone from overheating. Like, share, subscribe, and share this video with your friends so that they can save their mobile phone from getting damaged.